Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know the thing, got the attacking boss. They are my people, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I mean say attack. Some people right about now, me I say Queenie, lady gangster, Zine and D0WEY. Boy, the genre of this episode continue, my people. Yeah, man, this episode thing continue. It come like some soap opera. It come like some, I don't know what for some people, but it continue. So now, Queenie go up on live, my people, and today, she was hunting down D0WEY. You understand? She has searched for D0WEY. Basically, yesterday, she has searched D0WEY and hunt him down. You understand? On a Friday over there in the UK, my people. And on a real level, she never find him, my people. But she find a man who is her virgin, who is her friend, who she has say like him responsible for D0WEY. And you know, whole heap of mix up going. So many even want to talk too much with people. I want to showcase another video. You understand? Couple of minutes, well, on the soa go on with people with Queenie and this virgin we call Tio, and yo, whole heap of mix up and bangarang. But all me I gotta do my people is shirt and you give your views and your thoughts, because I have given them so much thoughts, my people, and so much, you know what I mean, words and this and that. When me run out now, so me I go showcase this to you all, my viewers and subscribers, and you be the one for leaving in the comment section what you all think about this thing, because yo, for me, my people, me I tell you the truth, me think doing it for is either I go home to Queenie or him pack him bag and come back to Jamaica. But yo, it don't look good. On a real level, it definitely look good. And Queenie, why? She love him so till she fool. She love him, you know? She love him, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So just check out this, my people, and big up on yourself. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me up on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. NEWLINK Production, official attacking boss. Not unless I talk too much, so check it out, my people. You don't know the thing. Go attack.
Some over blood clots. All the thing got asleep. You think God asleep and then you want to come show up for me a right. You have to hide from blood clot internet, boy, you go for internet. You should have shared my your dirty blood clot self. You're married to a woman and you never go stand up for the woman. But one girl will say she put knife on my throat. Yeah, but do what you have to do. What you mean she do what she have to do? Do what she have to do in the first place. How you have strength and motivation to go defend she. But you can't defend your wife. Look into your blood clot self. Look into yourself, and then you can't talk to blood clot. Nobody can talk to you, D0WEY. No mother, no father, no wife, no sister. Nobody can talk to you, D0WEY. And that's the wickedest thing, boy. You see me take talk to. And I'm here the blood clot queen where the whole world know. I'm with Kitwa. Nobody can talk to, because the amount of people will read it with you and count you and something. And all you want to do a Lego life. Then if you sit down and ball after blood clot, you do me just lose my pitney. And not even my pitney in a day for comfort, blood clot me. But you got to put carnal pussy in my, I got to say carnal cock in my pussy. Do it, move your dirty nasty blood clot. You're glad when you see carnal for find excuse. He's like a headless blood clot chicken. You come tell when I go on internet, come class, say you like it, it turn you on. You turn your blood clot on, because if you never turn your head on, man up. I remember say he's a married man. You move like some careless dirty blood clot, boy. You careless no blood clot. Tia, you soon start shoplift with blood clot. You careless no pussy hole. I want to can style. I want to think you can blood clot style. Want to grudge me for what me create? Do it. God got the blood clot glory with you, my husband. Me not stop pray for you. I mean, I wish you no blood clot, but you hear that? The sweet when turn bitter for what? For one airport foolishness? That not make no blood clot sense to me. No sense it not make. You hear that? I make all like to do it tired of what? I'm blood clot self him tired of. All I do get up bleach and pick your finger blood clot nail and I go talk about me no want you for work. Oh, me finna want you for work. You have to come work and mind blood clot to me. You have to work and give me back something. Me not have to call blood clot you. Me not have to call you. Me not have to call you.
Listen, just listen. Listen. You know when me meet D0WEY the Tuesday.
Yes.
I'm a podcast. I ask him for come. When I ask you for come.
Yeah.
When D0WEY came in my fucking car, I never expected that you and your husband was in no argument. The first thing D0WEY land, I'm a car come tell me and say, me Dan, you know how I should write you off. I'm say, D0WEY, you can't kill Queenie in my head. She's my friend. I'm like the woman. After my blood clot done now. Do it, said to me, say, see her there? The game said to me, say, please come back with me later. Him coming on my car and put him suitcase and him put everything. I said, do it. You're willing to go to war with your fucking wife because she's nuts. Blood. He came and he said, yes, he's willing to go to fucking war. Him tired of him talk one bag of things. Him don't even know that woman you're from nowhere, Queenie. Me tell do him, me no want to chat things with him and your wife. Every day, every listener, every blood clot there with.
Do it, say you tell himself to take a ear from it to you. And do it. Do it, tell me so.
Do it a blood clot, Wiki. Looking at my eye. Looking at my eye. That's why we off with our blood clot. Disgusting, Queenie. And that's why I'm going to tell the fucking truth.
I'm glad you come out here. I'm glad you come out of this blood clot. I know the way I'm wicked and liar. Do it, say to you, tell him, say.
What the fuck me I tell do it?
I don't do it, tell me. I want me ask him, I'm a wicked liar, wicked boy.
What the fuck me I do that for?
Tia.
Nobody can tell me you for girl and I for blood clot.
Tia, do it, can't tell us
do it and one big man, so make up your mind what you want to do. The first time do it come back and Mr. to do it say, and me, put him in a car and say, do it come. You have to go home, go talk to your fucking wife.
Are you move him out camera and all of
No, the Queenie, him beg me. Me never expect the man for coming on my fucking car.
Thank you. But
do we start all of this? You have to do it a fucking problem. Same fucking shoes that up. Where am I ring me down for? I'm glad you said on the live a while ago. Say him a wicked. You understand? This fucking youth. I tell him, I said, don't hide from me. Queenie ask if I'm here there on. Tell her, I say, yes, madam. Yes, my wife. Can you make me meet him? Yeah? Boom. All I said to the youth, say, brad, hold them here, Queenie.
You do all them.
Not tell no bumper clot like me. No bumper clot like me. And now come
you get him job?
Internet man.
What do you mean right here? Don't take me not hear from you and hear all a blood clot. That's why extra me I go do. Me I go call you. Me not call no blood clot body. Me I talk me truth. The whole of we are blood clot crosses. The whole of blood clot we. Do is a disgrace more than my blood clot. Said me a woman. Me either mix up do it. You walk and chat me. Me never chat blood clot here with you.
Every blood clot body.
Me know him chat.
And your fans them call him. And him all that. Him all make people trick him to keep meet and greet.
Them trick him to keep meet and greet. Him is a worthless.
They do it fuck off.
Do it can't tell us I'm chat him. Chat you. The only blood clot thing me chat you with. Birmingham. Where we go Birmingham? I have Christmas.
When you may tell do it and don't fucking tell me nothing. I'm a lady of me.
Do it.
Me tell do it and fucking ask me none of blood.
Do it. Can't tell you, sir.
Yo, Queenie, all of this just embarrassing, brother.
It's blood clot. Embarrassing for my husband. Take up, move out. I mean, I don't know when blood clot there. I get up on internet. I go like you want to style me and throw me in a rubbish bin. And boy, you go war me. The graduate, you hold it with your blood clot for you want to catch a people blood clot yard. And I come make it look like, say, me the most disgraceful. Are you disgraceful to you? You disgrace me. You chat me with every blood clot body. Me shame. When me hear about the whole of something when you chat say do it. You come go like you good Lord have mercy upon the whole of blood clot. You fucker, you. Me tell you, time and God. You hear that? Where you come sit down and hide. Everybody call do it, chat me with them. That's not a bumble clot. And that husband you made it off. You don't know what for keep back. You don't know what for all. And then except me that I go sit down going a rubbish fan over you. How that you gone to? Go back a blood clot, Jamaica. You say you want to go back. It's a disgrace. Before you come stand up with your wife and make me a sort out thing. Yeah, catch here, there, every blood clot. You fuck out, no? And don't fuck with blood clots, me. You hear that? Yeah. I feel good till you come. Me never call to your phone. From my husband disappear, and me, you don't know do it from no blood clot way. And from do it disappear. I mean, you say you do it, and you are par. Me never call you do it. I mean, you feel loyal to you. So because I'm a man, all of a sudden you turn against blood clot. I want you to say, do we want that to mix up? All of who they say bash me. I will do it tell them, say. And do we never one day remember the goodness and the nicest? I want him to whisper in my blood clot ears. I want him to remember none of them there. That's not so my husband negative. But your brother, they tell me say you're easily influenced. You're dirty, nasty blood clot. See, boy, can't come with. Where? You're dirty rascal. That's the life that you want. You run from me. You're going to walk a blood clot, England. because you think like say you're hyper and feisty and you don't have no loyalty and no respect. Remember enough things you do me not do it. And because of marriage, I hold it. You fuck, are you? Tears always my little friend. Tears like my son, like everything. Me and Tear close and tight. I'm going to go to Birmingham before I turn artist. Them pay me for come do a show. Me and him go down there. When the show done, we sit down on the table for around maybe 2 hours, sit down there. And the man asks me, say, what the man asks me, say, if I can make them get the table. Because some people that come in and them want and them want the space. So the man asked me if I can give him my table with the 5. I will come off of the table and say yes. I will over the corner. They say, Auntie, you're mad. I said, no, Jay, never you do that again. And when me and Tia come on the motorway, me and Tia hug you. I mean, I know what Tia say in October, say something back. But me and Tia not have no vibes or no something. So for my husband, we carry my name to Tia. Do it, God go with you. I tell you, so the whole light I got tumble down for you, because I'm real do it, and there's enough more for blood clot, come on. The amount of things that you chat do it, the amount of things that just sit down and shake my head. You need to stand your grounds and hold your composure. You take my friend, so you're going to be behind my back, a thief, my friend, and then carry my name to Tia. But me tell you, you see Tia not take blood clot chat. I swear Tia terrible and awful like blood clot me. So when you think say that I carry my name to Tia and Tia that I got keep blood clot secret for you, he's a piece of bumbo will do it. Me also pray for you because I tie up with the word to do it. You think me shame over coming by Instagram come cuss you? Do it. You think me shame over going by Instagram come cuss you? Do it. Me shame all the quiet man lie and mix up. Do it. So me see you put the big white plaster on your forehead there in a march and also. Me say bumbo clot one little cocoa. And the man put one big round plaster, son. And you do me, I say I got war with me pa Instagram. You can't war with me pa Instagram, do it. Because there's a God. Do it. You can't bite the annual feed and show off and grudge and have me up. But, you see me hear him say, every girl in England want him and him going to make them lick off them cheesy cocky. Me say, but could this blood clot boy, them girl are alpha girl. Them girl are sit down and get things done. So if them take your blood clot cocky, you can't take no girl for no blood clot fool my husband. You need to cut down yourself, relax your blood clot self and build step by step. You move too fast. For you when you run down nothing, you move too blood clot fast. Creep before you walk, lonely before you walk. D0WN. Relax your blood clot dirty self. You're the one side that hide from blood clot me. I eat with time, dick and blood clot. Hurry. And you feel good? No, I'm lying wicked. Mix up. A long time I know I said the way I mix up. But sit down here the way I chat him mother at Jamaica with him blood clot friend them. On the phone. Yeah, the way I mix up. So I say, do I do me? So I just laugh because me I say, I'm a husband, I'm loving her, I know where I'm giving her. But I said, everybody I tell here, when know me from me a 9, from him a 9, when show me so much love, then I when me could have do blood clot here. So, but
where you could have do me?
You see him?
Where you could have do me?
Dangerous little blood clot.
Where you could have do me?
But you not reconnect. You just have a blood clot by the way running. You don't have no loyalty, you don't have no meds, you don't have no sense. But you put up where you're not ungrateful. You don't know if you're hand, foot, head, nor tongue, blood clot grateful. You don't know which grateful you're fucking full. What, darling? You're one of my biggest fans. But you're not blood clot connect. Me look like me while you reconnect. More, you know, say you're married. And you have to come blood clot surrender with me, you fucking jackass. I have your name. You think I fuck paint picture like me and madam and I chat people talk about me, I argue with you. Me not argue with you over no blood clot girl, cause 3/4 of the girl in my message you. And me and you their message. Cause me say Miss Liza. How much people you gonna chat me with? Tell the people them no man. I run up and down last week per live with beer people like what headless blood clot chicken. The same thing where you tell me say me not for do. All of a sudden now you have 60,000 followers. Me see all that style me. You take off the wall of my picture them. Me see all your name Scarlet Soap and your company name. Virgin, calm down. You not reach nowhere yet. And some back and belly rat them the baby. You hear that? Supposed to take charge of your fucking wife as a man. Be responsible, go work. And your wife submit clean house and take care of the house. Make sure you get your food at your work. Clean and nice. Them kind of level the wife and blood clot husband, but you get carried away. You get your dirty, nasty blood clot. Come drop your blood clot draws to me. That's you.